What's up, guys? Episode 16 here, and sorry you can see my legs there. Ignore them. Okay. So, guys, episode 16 here, and I know it's night, and I'm not sure if you can hear that, but you know, fireworks going on in the background. That's because it's New Year's Eve. There's only like 2 hours left before New Year starts. So yeah, this is a vlog I'm doing. A vlog. I'm still not a professional when it comes to vlogging, but I'm pretty sure I know what I'm doing. For beginners, I think I know what I'm doing. Yeah, I do. And there's a dog over there. I'm using my other phone now because it's fixed now. Thank you, goodness. On time, because I'm now gonna be full-time YouTuber. That means every day I'm gonna record a video. And I just uploaded a video just like 5 minutes ago. And I recommend you guys checking it out. It's only like 10 minutes, what? No, 10 seconds long or 11 seconds long. I don't know, something along those two. I can't talk. So yeah, I'm doing a vlog. I might vlog more tomorrow. So yeah, vlog. Vlogging. Okay. So yeah. I'm gonna, vlog more later maybe, because this part is boring, you don't want this part, you want awesome parts. Let me just zoom in into my face. Ooh. Stop watching me. Okay. Okay. Sorry. I'm having way too much fun time with this, and I didn't even mean to do that. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Now you see me not so zoomed in. Now you see me zoomed in, and now you don't. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna vlog more later. Something interesting happens. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, yeah. I'll see you later. Something interesting happens, and I'll also see you. I'll do a part 2 of it later, tomorrow. Yeah. And I'm also gonna do a countdown from 10 seconds to New Year's Eve, so yeah. Or to New Year's, 2015. Okay, yeah. See you later. Bye-bye. Oh my god. It's almost time. It's only 2 minutes and 10 seconds left. 2 minutes and 10 seconds left. 6 seconds left. 2 minutes and 6 seconds left. I hope you guys can hear me. I almost lost my hearing earlier because of a loud noise, and you can probably still hear it. Anyways, yeah, on the clock it's actually already 12, but in the thing it's there's so many. Sorry, so yeah, I'm back. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Woo! Happy New Year! Woo! Woo! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Woo! 2015! 2K15! Happy New Year! Woo! 2015! Woo! Yeah! Happy New Year! 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 Happy New Year!
Madilim! Alright. There.
Okay guys, so okay, you might still hear some, oh god, no. So you might still hear some fireworks, yeah, it's New Year, forget about 2014, there's 2015, yeah, okay, don't bark when I'm recording, shh, don't bark when I'm recording, okay, so, sorry if it's dark, it's, you know, yeah, I'll continue more tomorrow, oh my god. 2015, 2015. I can't believe it. Like I still remember the exact same thing that happened like exactly last year. And I can't believe that how it's so fast. It's happening all too fast. Next thing you know, it's 2016. Wow, and I'm almost taking so fast. Okay, so 2015. Yes! 2015, 2020, 2015.